I went through a horrible divorce. It was a failure in my life. The stress had manifested itself in me to where I was suffering from mental illness. Just having headaches and memory loss, blurred vision. It was a very stressful time in my life. After the divorce, I quit my job. I sold the things that I had left, and what I didn't sell, I threw away. I got some camping equipment, and I walked for 5 weeks. I had never heard of KARM. I was directed here by someone I had never met before, someone I've never seen since. Kind of like an angel type thing where someone puts me in the right direction. The angel who brought me here, it was, my life was already predetermined. All I had to do was accept it.
What I've seen in John's journey is just a pretty amazing thing. It's kind of winning the Super Bowl. It's just what we're about. We're about restoring lives in Jesus' name.
Staying here at KARM has been a life-changing experience for me. Attending the Launch Point classes and the subsequent Abundant Life Kitchen course, the Compassion Coalition's class on poverty, the VOA Jobs Club. All of these things changed my life by awakening my spiritual needs and education, teaching me the resources available to me to not only end my homelessness, but improve my quality of life.
He becomes our first Launch Point graduate that we use as a table facilitator. I've seen John just become a man of compassion and mercy that I would never have imagined 3 years ago.
Before I arrived at KARM, I was wandering aimlessly. I was spiritually not in touch. I was lost. Now, I have focus, direction, spiritual well-being.
Watching John find permanent housing, a career, gifting, and service to give his life away is the high point of our work. And when we see stories like John, it's just like, hey, we want to jump up and shout and yell, hey, look what God's doing over here.
I feel proud of what I've achieved, what I've accomplished, and it's just overwhelming. The care and the attention that I've been given here, and the way that my life has dramatically changed. My hope is to continue in God's plan for me and be a beacon to others who have to walk the same journey.